What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Do you know how quickly your score will improve after a credit dispute? If you've discovered an error on your credit report, you're undoubtedly eager to dispute it and get it deleted so that your credit score will improve. However, you may question, how long does it take for a dispute to be erased from your credit report? After all, the disagreement must be submitted, authorized, and kept up to date. If everything goes as planned, the procedure might take anywhere from 1 to 3 months. What mistakes might have a negative impact on your credit reports? Any false information on your credit report can be challenged. However, not all conflicts will have an effect on your score. Small inaccuracies, such as misspelled names, inaccurate addresses, or incorrect birth dates, will not significantly impact your report or score. These problems should still be corrected since they may cause future financing applications to be delayed. The only exception is if your misspelled name or inaccurate birth date resulted in the addition of another person's debts to your report. For example, if another Jane Doe collection account was improperly included in your report, it might severely reduce your score. In contrast, erroneous or unverified credit-related information on your report might have a major influence on your score. Improper hard inquiries, incorrect loan amounts, missing or late payment information, and misleading judgments are among the examples. You should challenge these inaccuracies as soon as possible. You should file a dispute with the agency responsible for the inaccuracy of your report. If all 3 agencies have the same error on file, you theoretically only need to file one dispute. If the issue is resolved, the furnisher is legally required to supply accurate information to all bureaus. Experts, on the other hand, advise disputing with each agency that demonstrates the inaccuracy. This ensures that the error is corrected immediately without depending on the furnisher to contact all bureaus. You have the option of filing your dispute online or via mail. When filing your claim, you must clearly identify what is inaccurate and give supporting documentation. If your complaint is over the information given by a furnisher, the bureau must tell that furnisher within 5 days of receiving the complaint. The furnisher must reply immediately so that the bureau may fulfill the Fair Credit Reporting Act's 30-day investigation requirement, FCRA. If the consumer presents new data after filing the first dispute, the FCRA allows for a 15-day investigation extension. If your complaint is judged frivolous, the Bureau has the authority to dismiss it without further inquiry. If your disagreement is denied and you are unhappy with the outcome, you have 2 alternatives. The first option is to contact the data provider directly. The Credit Bureau relies on the furnisher to investigate the dispute, therefore it's preferable to go to the source if they have erroneous information. The second option is to file a new dispute with the bureaus. It's improbable that you'll receive a different verdict if you file the exact same issue with no additional information. Ideally, you'd like to uncover new supporting evidence to back up your claim. You should also consider working with a professional credit repair business to resubmit your dispute. A new issue would be investigated by a bureau within 30 to 45 days. If none of the preceding measures work, your final option is to request that a statement of disagreement be added to your file. This will not increase your credit score, but prospective lenders will notice that you object to the inclusion in your record. To add a remark to your file, you must contact each agency separately. How frequently are credit reports updated? Assuming your dispute is successful, you may see this immediately reflected in your report. According to TransUnion, when credit reporting organizations receive information, it is usually included in your credit reports promptly. However, keep in mind that your credit score is not included in your credit report. You'll need to check your credit score somewhere else, such as your online banking site. Also, remember that credit reports normally update every 30 to 45 days. This is because lenders are obligated to give updated information to credit bureaus on a regular basis, if not more often. Furthermore, lenders sometimes do not give their data to all 3 credit agencies at the same time, so you may see the change with one bureau a bit sooner than the others. Although the dates are hazy, the basic rule of thumb is to anticipate waiting several weeks. If you haven't seen the change reported on your credit report after the dispute has been resolved and a month or so has elapsed, you should contact the credit bureaus. You can seek expert assistance with your dispute. Reviewing your credit report and, if required, registering disputes should be part of your normal financial practice. Using a credit restoration firm might enhance the likelihood of your appeal being granted. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.